Hello everyone, welcome to One Stop Solution. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through the steps to turn off notification in TonKeeper. Let's get started. Start by opening TonKeeper on your device. Tap on the settings icon at the top right. Tap on Notifications. Here, toggle off the option for push notification. Now the notification is disabled. And that is how to turn off notifications in TonKeeper. Thank you for watching One Stop Solution. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you're new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.